Magandang araw sa inyo mga kaibigan. Itong ating almusalita sa araw na ito, December 27. Ang ebanghelyo natin is John 20:1 to 8. Really caught my attention. Agad na fast forward ang buhay ni Jesus mula sa birth papunta sa kanyang resurrection. And this is what the gospel said. Now on the first day after the Sabbath, Mary of Magdala came to the tomb early in the morning while it was still dark. She ran to Peter and the other disciple whom Jesus loved, and she said to them, "They have taken the Lord out of the tomb, and we don't know where they have laid him." And that words, "where they laid him," resonates kasi narinig po natin kahapon and the day before, Mary laid him on a manger. In other words, Jesus was born kung saan niya nilagay ng kanyang nanay and Jesus was resurrected kung saan siya nilagay. They put him in places that became the place of the nativity and the place of the resurrection. At yun ang kaya mong gawin. Hindi mo kayang baguhin ang iyong buhay, kaya ng Diyos yan, pero ikaw hindi mo kaya. But ang kaya mo ay buksan ang iyong puso upang Mary will lead him here to be born in me, in this particular sapsaban na ay ako, o di kaya allowed the Father to resurrect Jesus in my heart. If for some reasons I have drawn away from Him, kung lumayo ako, kung lumamig ako, kung nagkaroon po ng relasyon na hindi maganda sa Panginoon dahil kinalimutan o naging second priority o naging puntahan lang pag may pangangailangan, still He can resurrect in your heart. Where do you laid Him? Pahintulutan mo na ang sarili mo ay maging sapsaban. Pahintulutan mo na ang sarili mo ay maging kuweba ng pagkabuhay. Pahintulutan mo na ang imposible sa iyo ay maging posible sa ating Ama. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video ito, pakiusap, pass it on. Punuin natin ng good news sa social media. Gawin natin viral, araw-araw ang salita ng Diyos. And God bless.